Hey y'all, it's me, Carmen Sweet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a get ready with me tutorial. Here is the link to see the previous hairstyle of a twist and go that I did before doing this video. Today we're just going to turn this previous twist out into a sleek ponytail and a simple makeup look. So right now, before I prep my hair, I'm just prepping my face to allow put some moisture back into it. My morning routine, a face serum under the eyes. All the products will be listed in the description box. And so I like to prep my face first to give it time to get the moisturizer soak in before I do my makeup. So if I'm doing my hair and my makeup on the same day, I'll prep my face first. There you go with some moisturizer, just to give it time to all soak in before I start adding products. So please make sure you do your skincare routine before you do your makeup. So here I'm just going in with some eye cream. So first I did some eye serum by The Ordinary product. Then I did a face moisturizer, Aveeno daily moisturizer, and then secondly I went in with a eye cream. I can't remember which one I used. So that's it. So right now I'm just taking my hair out, my two ponytails that I slept with, and I'm going to comb my hair through a little bit. It's already kind of stretched, so I'm taking that part out and just kind of combing it all out, combing it through, get it ready to be slicked back into a ponytail. So the look I'm going for today is like a ponytail with the curly ends, just something elegant, I can say, for today. That's all. So as you've seen before, if you haven't checked out my sleek ponytail bun video, I'll link that here as well. But I like to, when I'm doing a sleek ponytail, I like to start off, split my hair in half and work section by section to get it as smooth as I can. So as you see, like I start off with a light ponytail on the back, and then I add a little bit of hair over the top, work that through, brush it, put some gel in it, just to kind of help give it a smooth canvas. So yeah, that's what you see me doing, just working my way into a ponytail. Add a piece of hair out, take it apart, catch that up, and then now I'm up to the front. So I have my gel going, trying to smooth those edges all out. You see me rotate between a brush, a comb, and my edge control, and a small, defined brush, edge control brush to slick those edges back. So yeah, I take more time in the front, of course. So yeah, you see me with my brush there, just brushing it all back, trying to smooth it all out. So right here is not perfect how I want it just yet. So I do go ahead and, once I get most of it in, try to start molding my hair to the shape that I need it to be, the look that I want it to be. So yeah. So once you have your hair in your ponytail, this is the time to take your brush, go ahead and smooth out anything you need to smooth out. If you need to add more gel, fix your edges. I went in with some Got To Be Glue Free Spray to give it a stronger hold. And I'm just going to take a scarf and tie it down to help mold it, give it more of a sleek look, tame any flyaways while I'm doing my makeup. So we're starting off with the makeup. Right here I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows. I feel the thinner my eyebrows, the better they look. I can just take my time and fill them into the desired look. I'm not a professional. I just go back and forth with thinning mostly the tail ends out to get them to how I like them. I try to make sure they look like twins. They might not look like identical, but I try to do the best that I can. So that's that. So here I'm just taking a dark brown eye pencil and doing light strokes. I try to focus in on my tail in first, and then go in 1 or 2 strokes to the base. That's correct, but yeah, so that's all I'm doing right now, just shaping and giving my eyebrows a more defined look. So y'all, let me go ahead and throw a disclaimer out there right now. In the midst of me doing my makeup, I was listening to gospel music, so if y'all see me singing, it's just me in the spirit. That's about it. So after I do my eyebrows, I guess I was looking for my little spool brush, eyebrow brush. So yeah, I like to take my brush and just go back through it just to even soften the look. To me, I like for my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. So I do go back through with the brush and just kind of brush out the eyeliner, just to give it a softer look. If I need to go back in with the pencil, I'll go back in with some very light strokes. As you see, I'm just going back in with the front of the brow, and then just to give it a couple of more, just to fill it in at the base. And I'll take the brush again and just brush it right on out. So to me, it just softened the look. It doesn't make it look, it makes it look more natural, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up the eyebrows, making them thicker where they need to be thicker, giving them more of an arch where they need to be more of an arch. I'm still trying to master and perfect my eyebrows. To me, I always seem like I can get one perfect to how I like them, but not the other one. And I'm sorry, y'all, I'm in and out. But I was trying to get close in the mirror to make sure I can see what I'm doing. So I'll work a little harder next time on that for y'all. So here I'm just going in with some concealer and sculpting out my eyebrows. I just do under the eyebrow. This is just the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can find this from your local beauty supply store. I think I use the color Chestnut because that's usually the color closer to my skin tone. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. Just cleaning it up a little bit. Giving it a more of a sharper look. So yeah, I also use this as the base for my eyeshadow.
Ryan Little.
So once you have sculpted out your eyebrows, I go with my pencil, and if I needed to fill in anything, I just go back and fill it in. So like I said, I use this for the base of my eyeshadow. So I'm just putting it all over my lids, and then I'm going to buff it all over my lids. So I'm just using my Jacklyn Hill 1 palette from Morphe. It has different shades of like red and brown, and I just wanted a subtle look. So I think I'm just taking like some orange and red right now and just going over like my entire lid, almost like a transitioning color. So yeah, the Jacklyn Hill palette by Morphe. So the same thing over here, just taking a fluffy brush and going in with I think it's like the orange and burgundy colors. I'll list them in the palette, I'll list them in the description, and just giving it a twirl. I just wanted like a good transition color. I didn't, oh yeah, that's the Ring the Alone palette, so I didn't want to do too much. I just wanted a subtle look for the day. So I'm just placing that all over my eyelids, going back and forth, making sure they kind of look the same. I guess I felt like I needed a little bit more orange, so I just went back in with it. Just creating a subtle look. So I believe I went in with some brown just to give me a slight smoky dimension look. So that was about it. Just to darken up the crease of my eye. So I'm taking my mascara, giving what's left from my eyelashes a little bit of definition to show that they are there. So I'm taking an eyeliner, just trying to give me a little simple wing. Y'all need practice with the wing. Y'all please leave me a link or give me some tips on how to do a bomb eyeliner wing. So when I'm wearing lashes, I like to put a wing down to help disguise the lash band. So that's what I'm doing here. Sorry guys, I'm just doing my other eye. I didn't realize I wasn't in the camera. So yeah, as you see, I'm just trying to finesse my eyeliner on my other eye. Yes, y'all, I know I need practice in that area. Don't come for me a little too hard. But we're gonna keep working on that. Okay, so we're not doing a full routine foundation routine today, so I'm just taking my concealer. I think it's the NYX concealer. I'll have the name in the description box, and I'm just going over like my dark spots, just to give me like an even canvas on my face, just to help blend it in a little bit, just a natural look. So no foundation in this routine today, just concealer under the eyes and on my cheeks. So I'm going in with a damp beauty blender and just blending it all out under the eyes. Blend. I try to just blend in those areas. Blend as much as you can, as best as you can, just to even out everything. You don't want it to look patchy. And so that's all I'm doing. I'm just blending it all out. And again, I'm sorry y'all, I should have been a little bit more focused in this area. So I went in my powder and just lightly set. I try to set right after I blend, so I won't get as much creasing, and just lightly. I don't bake, just a light powder. And I have the powder listed below as well, and just to set that concealer in. So now I'm just going back over my brows with a I think it's a brow pomade or something like that, something that was in like one of my Boxy Charm kits, and I just went back over it just to kind of give my eyebrows a softer look. As y'all see, my eyeliner kind of got up on my eyelid, so usually when that does happen from the eyeliner still being a little damp, I just go back in with the eyeshadow brush and just fix that. Hopefully I did. So right now I'm going ahead and putting my lashes on, which is sometimes a struggle. So hey y'all, this is the finished look after 2 hours maybe. I had to rush out the house, so I wasn't able to finish recording to give y'all the final look right then and there. But this is the final look after I'll say about 2 hours once I ran out to church and came back. So thank you as always. Please like, comment, and subscribe.